Scientists use powerful space telescope James Webb to find signs of life in Proxima B exoplanet. Considering that we have more than 20,000 planets in our galaxy, there is a high possibility that the moon or planet of the universe will include life. In other words, the life of an excellent alien can already exist. There was a long human interest in the possibility of life outside the Earth. Nevertheless, the Earth has recently been found to be very similar in size and intimacy with Earth, which can lead to the fact that it answers many questions. Telescope James Webb is expected to provide decisive information about this mystery. The first step in the Proxima B study is to understand that alien planets are planets found outside our solar system. The movement and personality of this planet is completely mysterious before the Space Telescope James Webb is created. Without reliable tools for research, scientists depend on methods such as public transportation and Doppler spectroscopy. Proxima B is located at 4.24 light-years, one of the most famous alien planets on Earth. He is the orbit of Proxima Centauri, the closest star of our Sun. The planet in his star, the opening of the 2016 Proxima B, suggested that scientists could include alien lives. But it is very difficult to find evidence of such life. What distinguishes this alien planet from billions of people in the galaxy? Scientists were stunned by the artificial lights found in Proxima B. They have begun to consider the possibility that intellectual life will exist on Earth's night, and this civilization can be more technically developed than ourselves. But how can they study alien planets that are hard to find so far? James Webb Telescope is an innovative tool that enables such research. One of the main advantages is the ability to see through the dust cloud using a huge mirror covered with gold. This makes him the largest and most powerful telescope when LIBA built. Infrared rays are reflected in these mirrors and form an image that goes beyond our understanding. This is because Proxima B, the first alien planet that studied JWST, provides the best potential to identify alien life. In order for Earth to support life, there must be similar conditions as Earth. To understand the unique characteristics of Proxima B, scientists compared it to the land. The mass of Proxima B is 1.27 times higher than the Earth. The Earth is 93 million in the Sun, but Proxima B star is only 4.6 million miles. Despite the fact that Proxima B is considered much closer to the stars, it is considered to live because the Proxima Centauri is 44,000 times weaker than the Sun. Scientists believe that water can exist on the surface of the Proxima B in the residential area. One of the main tasks means that Proxima B adjuzzles, that is, one side of the planet is always in daylight and the other is in the eternal darkness. This situation is similar to the way the moon rotates on Earth. This unique rotation creates an important goal for Proxima B to find alien life. Scientists work hard to detect artificial lighting from the surface of the Earth, which can indicate the presence of advanced civilizations. One of the researchers who study this is Abhi, an astronomer at Harvard University, which suggests that the clear and dark surface of Proxima B can be covered with artificial lighting. James Webb Telescope measures light-crooked planets to detect anomalies. If the Proxima B has an intellectual exterior, you can adapt to it in a complete darkness like some animals on the planet. Nevertheless, another important issue is a high level of X-ray and ultraviolet radiation that reaches the bright surface of the Earth to reduce the possibility of habitats. Despite this problem, the possibility of the existing Proxima B increases the search for alien intelligence due to the hope of creating an innovative discovery. More than 20,000 red dwarf stars are scanned for the current transmission. Another powerful tool in this search is Allen Telescope. The main groundbreaking thing in recent years has been a unique wireless signal from Proxima B, which was discovered by the Wireless Telescope of Sydney, Australia, and lasted almost 30 hours until it disappeared. Whenever scientists moved away from the agent of Centaur, they lost contact with the signal. This mysterious event has been more interested in Proxima B. For further research, scientists plan to send nanocraft to Proxima B. But using the current technology does not allow astronauts to travel. Instead, the Starshot Revolution project tried to send a spaceship to reach the Earth with the support of nanotechno with $100 million. But it can move at a speed of 20% of hardness when using a powerful laser to proceed with nanocraft. Other ground alien planets, such as the Kepler 452b and Kepler 186f, show that there may be residential planets throughout the universe. According to a 2012 study, SunSC, if there are more than 200 billion planets in our galaxy, can many of them live? There are still more research and research. The only conviction of space research is that there is always a place for new discovery. Since Proxima B is the closest alien planet on the ground, it will be an interesting adventure after progress. What do you think about the possibility of life in Proxima B or other alien planets? Please tell us your opinion. Also, if you like this video, leave this video for more interesting space news and updates about the Space Telescope James Webb. The next step is to find this brilliant cause. Since the telescope has found something unusual, scientists will focus on more efforts to collect more data. JWST will continue to see this distant planet, capture more images, and study light in more detail. Other telescopes will probably participate in search, including ground observation stations and future space missions. The more data you have, the more likely you to collect, the more likely you will actually decide whether it is artificial lighting or different. If it turns out that light comes from advanced civilizations, the result is huge. This means that people are not alone in the universe. There is another reasonable figure on the planet. This perception will change everything about how people look at their positions in space. Governments, scientists, and space agencies around the world must rethink the approach to space research. There is a question about whether the contacts should try and the risks and benefits. Even if this light is a natural explanation, discovery is still innovative. This refers to a study of something completely new about the planet's operation and reveals a phenomenon that has never been seen before. This alone is one of the most interesting discoveries in modern astronomy. This proves that the universe is still full of mystery waiting for public and not finding life outside the Earth. Space Telescope James Webb has already changed how people see the universe and have just started. Due to the ability to look deeper into the space than before, he can unlock the hidden secrets for billions of years. Is this shining light a sign of an alien life or something other? And it is clear that mankind is on the verge of amazing work. The universe is full of huge miracles, and this discovery is just the beginning of what remains. Thank you for watching. Click on the following video to explore another amazing universe story.